So today we're going to talk about a common problem with design system documentation. So what you might need is table content to have dynamic control. So tables on documentation is super important. It can be used for many different things, but you often need to format and organize the table data differently across different pages. So we're going to show you how Knapsack allows you to do that. So we're on Knapsack's public demo, and I've created a branch called CS Video Series version 2, and I created a page called Roadmap. And what I've done is I've added a dynamic table just here. So I'm going to click on that, and you're going to be able to see that it has table controls. So we can toggle the header column and toggle the header row. So as you can see, it's toggled here, and we can add a column before, add a column after, and delete a column, and the same with rows, add before and after and delete. So I'm going to quickly click into the Q3 column. I'm going to add a column after. I'm going to call it Q4, and then I'll simply be able to add my roadmap items in here. And as you can see, it is as simple as that. A lovely dynamic table which you can use differently on different pages of your documentation.